Hello dear student. In our previous video you learnt about what is multiple and how we can find multiples and common multiples. Now today you will learn about factor. In my previous video I already explained you what are the factors. In this video you will learn how can we find factor of a number, factors of a number. So let's start. In our seventh question, we have to list all the factors of the following numbers. We have to find the factors of given numbers. So our first number is 32. So we can understand this number is as follow. We have to find the factor of 32. हमें 32 के factors निकालने. So how we can find it? Dear student, as we know, 1 is a factor of every number. What I say? 1 is a factor of every number. So we always start from 1. As we know, 1 is a factor of every number. So we always start from 1. So 1 times 32 is 32. Okay. Now we will check for 2, 3, 4, 5, so on by one. Now we have to check, is 2 is a factor of 32? क्या 2 32 का फैक्टर है? ये हमें चेक करना है. तो हम कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं कि 2 32 का फैक्टर है या नहीं? Simply we can divide. We should divide 32 by 2. If we get 0 as a remainder, then we can say yes, 2 is a factor of 32. And if we get any number except 0, then we can say 2 is not a factor of 32. What I said? अगर हमें रिमाइंडर 0 मिलता है तो हम कहेंगे 2 हमारा 32 का फैक्टर है. अगर हमें 0 के अलावा कुछ और नंबर मिलता है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 anything else except 0, तो हम कहेंगे 2 32 का फैक्टर नहीं है. इस चीज को ध्यान रखिएगा. So let us divide. 2 1 time is 2, 1 2 here, 2 6 time is 12. So we get 0 as a remainder. Okay. Now we can say yes, 2 is a factor of 32. So we write here 2 times, here is quotient is 16. 2 times 16 is 32. That means when we multiply 2 by 16 we get 32. So second is 2 multiply 16 equals to 32. Now we have to check for 3. क्या 3 32 को completely divide करता है? That means क्या 3 की टेबल में 32 आता है? No. As you can see here, 32 and here 3 1 time is 3 and 2. 2 is smaller than 3, so we cannot divide 2 by 3. So 3 is not a factor of 32. So we will not write 3. Now 4. Now the same question, is 4 is a factor of 32? क्या 4 32 का फैक्टर है? So what we will do? We will divide. So we know that when we divide 32 by 4, we get 4 8 times is 32. We get 0 as a remainder. So yes, 4 is a factor of 32. So we will write here 4. 4 8 times is 32. Okay. Now next check for the 5. As we know dear student, 5 6 time is 30 and 5 7 time is 35. So 5 is not a factor of 32. Okay. Now let's move to 6. 6 की टेबल में क्या 32 आता है? The same question. अगर आएगा 6 की टेबल में 32 तो हम कहेंगे कि 6 is a factor of 32. अगर 32 6 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा तो हम कहेंगे no, 6 is not a factor of 32. Okay. तो 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 30 and 6 6 36. सो 32 6 की टेबल में नहीं आ रहा, तो इसका मतलब 32 का फैक्टर नहीं है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू अ 7. क्या 7 की टेबल में 32 आता है? नो. 7 5 ज़ा 35 नहीं आता, तो 7 भी हमारा 32 का फैक्टर नहीं है. नाउ चेक फॉर द 8. 8 इज ऑलरेडी रिटन हियर. 8 हम यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं. 9 नो. 9 की टेबल में भी 32 नहीं आता. 10 की टेबल में भी नहीं आता. यू हैव टू चेक ओनली टिल 10. आपको सिर्फ 10 तक ही चेक करना है, क्योंकि 10 के बाद वाले नंबर्स आपको यहाँ मिल जाएंगे. सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 32? यू विल राइट लाइक दिस. You will make a U like this. First you will write 1 2 4, then you will write 8 16 32. Okay, so 1 2 4 8 16 32. Now as you can see here, same thing I have done here. 1 2 4 8 16 32. Now these are the factor of 32. I hope this first question is clear to you. The same thing we will do with our next question. We have to find the factor of 42. The same procedure we will follow here. What we will do? First we will write 1. Okay? Because we know 1 is a factor of every number. 1 की टेबल में सब आते हैं. So 1 is a factor of every number. 1 multiply 48 equals to 48. Now the same thing we will check for the 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. Now check for the 2. How we will check? We will divide 42 by 2. If we get 0 as a remainder, then we can say yes, 2 is a factor of 48. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 4's time is 8. So now we get 0 as a remainder. So we can say 2 is a factor of 48. So what we write here? 2 times is 24. When we multiply 2 by 24, we get 48. Okay. Now check for the 3. 3 1's time is 3. 3 6 time is 18. Here we get 0 as a remainder. So we can say yes, 3 is a factor of 48. So we write here 3. 16's time is 48. Okay. Now we check for the 4. So we will divide 48 by 4. 4 ones time is 4 and 4 2 times is 8. Again we get 0 as a remainder. So we can say yes, 4 is a factor of 48. So what we will write? 4 and 12. When we multiply 4 and 12, we get 48. Now 4 after 5. 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. So 48 5 की टेबल में नहीं आता. So 5 is not a factor of 48. तो हम 5 नहीं लिखेंगे. Now 6. Yes, 6 8 जा 48. 6 की टेबल में 48 आता है. तो yes, 6 is a factor of 48. 6 8 times is 48. Now after 6 is 7. 6 7s are 42. 7 6 are 42. And 7 7s are 49. So 7 की टेबल में 48 नहीं आता. So 7 is not a factor of 48. Now 8. We already written 8 here. हम 8 लिख चुके हैं. 9 की टेबल में भी 48 नहीं आता. So 9 is not a factor of 48. And 10 की टेबल में भी 48 नहीं आता. तो we will not write 10. So these are the factor of 48. ये हमारे 48 के factors हैं. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 40. The same thing I have written here. 1 2 3 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. These are the factors of 48. Okay. Now I hope, dear students, you can find the factor of 24, 72, same following this procedure. You will try by your own to finding these factors and you can check your answer from my video. Okay. Now even is 23. You have to find the factor of 23. Okay. As you know, 23 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. So prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. प्राइम नंबर के सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर्स होते हैं, एक 1 और एक वो खुद. तो 1 मल्टीप्लाई 23 इज 23. तो 23 के सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर होंगे, 1 एंड 23. नाउ द सेम प्रोसेस यू हैव टू फॉलो फॉर द 60. यू हैव टू फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ 60. डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस क्वेश्चन you will do by yourself and check your answer from my this video. Okay, if you have any doubt, any query, you can message me or you can drop your problem in the comment box. I will explain you. Okay, thank you.